there. It's Lacey. I am talking in a British accent because I'm going to be cosplaying England from the anime Italia, and I really need opinions on whether or not I can do a British accent because, you see, if I can't do a British accent, then I will fail if I try to be England. And I really don't want to fail. I really don't. But you just could give me pointers, tips, anything helps. Comment. And I guess I should be talking more in a British accent. I've been practicing a lot, but practicing doesn't really help if you don't know what you're doing wrong. So I probably should have thought of something to talk about. I don't know what to talk about. I'll just talk randomly in an English accent. But I must warn you that when I start talking in an English accent, British accent, I talk in, it sometimes turns to Scottish or Irish, sometimes Australian, so if I start to go into a whole different accent, I am sorry. I don't understand it, I really don't. I think it's starting to come out right now. I don't know. I don't even know if you can tell. Oh, by the way, hold that thought. Well, actually, you're coming with me. Hooray! Look, I have a turtle. I have a turtle. Oh. I don't know. I just thought I'd share my joy with you. I love turtles. I made myself dizzy. Hooray! Let's see. Oh, look at this. I just killed my guitar. Oh well. Kitties! And some random meat. Oh look! Another kitty! I love cats. I really do. Oh. A piggy. Yes, I'm a piggy. I don't know what to talk about anymore. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't really know. But anyway, so, like I said, give me tips, pointers, comment below me, comment please, and I will be happy. I don't know why I'm singing this song, but it makes me happy. I don't know, but enjoy the rest of your day, wherever you are, and I will be here. I will be here. I will be checking, I'll be updating, and please let me know what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, and tell me if I'm crazy. Don't forget to eat the banana. Bye.